Bankruptcy by either spouse following a divorce may still have an impact on the other spouse. Since this information is for educational purposes only, be sure to speak with a licensed professional for specific legal advice. If your spouse files for bankruptcy after the divorce, his or her liability to the credit card company will be discharged. This means that if you were jointly liable on the credit card, you are now the only one on the hook. However, if a debt was assigned to your spouse in your divorce, and he or she agreed to or was ordered to hold you harmless for that debt, his or her liability towards you is not discharged in bankruptcy. As a result, if your spouse doesn't pay the debt and you suffer damages, you may have grounds to sue him or her, even if the credit card company cannot. One way to reduce the risk of this possibility is by settling your outstanding credit card debt before it becomes a serious problem during or after the divorce. By utilizing the free web-based debt settlement software available at SettleItSoft.com, you may be able to settle your credit card debt for less than you imagined, while hopefully eliminating a contentious issue. More information about divorce and credit card debt, as well as other financial tips, may be viewed in the knowledge base of SettleItSoft.com or on any of the SettleItSoft social media channels.